No matter where you are in Cape Town, you can see Table Mountain. Its magnificence rises over you, and you just can't help but stare at its beauty. And what's even better is the view from the top. The most direct route to the top is the cable car. We drove up to the entrance, and the view even from there made me gasp. Then we got our tickets and boarded the cable car on up. And it turned out to be an exhilarating ride. There are 2 open windows, and the floor rotates so that everyone can get a good view. Though it's quite crowded on board, the energy was high, and it was building as we climbed higher and higher up the 302-meter mountain. The views just kept getting better and better, and then we were there. I'm here at the top of Table Mountain, and I have to say, this is even better than I expected. When you come to Cape Town, you're going to hear from everyone that you have to check out Table Mountain, but it's for good reason. This is one of the most spectacular views I've ever seen. You can walk all the way around the top, so it's 360 degrees, panoramic views. Behind me is Robben Island. You can see the 12 Apostles, the beaches, the downtown. It's truly spectacular. It's called Table Mountain because it's completely flat on the top. And we're lucky enough to have a beautiful sunny day with not too many winds. Some days you come up here and it's quite windy. They also have a lot of fog and cloud cover on certain days, and they call it the tablecloth. So today I could see for miles. My tip would be to spend some time drinking in the view. And also be prepared to take a lot of photos because you just can't help yourself. And if you gotta jump, just do it. Locals and tourists alike rave about Table Mountain, and it's for good reason, so make sure you do this when you come to Cape Town. There are a few ways down, but I stuck with the cable car. And even on the way down, the view of Cape Town didn't cease to take my breath away. Next time though, I want to hike to the top.